Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to block person on Facebook. So once you open up your Facebook, the next thing you're going to do is tap on your menu icon at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon also at the top, and then scroll all the way down to accounts and audience and visibility. Actually, here's where you can see what you share on Facebook. Under it we have blocking. Tap on blocking, and then you add to block list. Tap on add to block list. You can either type a name or any email address. So if you want to type your name, let's say I want to unblock this particular person. Actually, I want to block this person. So you can see the names of all people that I have that has that particular name that I want to block. I simply tap on block. So you read all this to know what to happen. You can also take a break instead of blocking someone. Take a break. So anyway, just tap on block. It's as simple as that. So note that even though you block that person, the block won't apply to her other profiles. Really limits some of the way she can interact with you from her other profiles. Simple as that. Tap on close. It's as simple as that.